So how can you email a keynote from the iPad? Let's begin. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one. Basically, you have more options. Like if you are already inside of your keynote presentation and you're like happy with it, you can always locate the share button above it, and it's going to give you the options to share it, right? So one of them is most definitely going to be the mail app. And even if you have like a different mail application, like a third-party one from Google, like the Gmail app or even any other app, you can always just tap on it. And once you do, this presentation will be already attached in the attachment, right? So you can fill out the information like the recipient, the body text, the title of the email, whatever, but you can just send it like that and it will be like emailed to that person. Or you should also know that your finished documents, like the keynote presentations that you finish working on, are also going to be saved on your iPad inside of the files application, right? So it is most definitely going to be somewhere in here. So you can see I have access to my presentations like that. So I can also just hold down on it in here, click on share, and literally the very same thing is going to appear where I can just select the mail application of choice and attach it right away. And last thing, which is essentially the same thing but from another angle, would be to at first open up your email application, start a brand new email, right? Just start just compose a new message, and you will also have the ability to add some attachment, right? So you can click on the paperclip icon, attach a file, and it will open up your files app. So again, you can import your keynote presentation that way too. So as you can see, plenty of ways of how you can do this. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to successfully email your keynote from the iPad. Thanks a lot for watching, and just stay subscribed so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.